We're sitting in the snow, eating raw chicken in the sun, shine. It's cold, but raw chicken gives you boost. 77 points to cold tolerance. Tell that to Wim Hof. We don't only got raw chicken though. We gotta got that vitamin D, because this puny winter sun ain't gonna do it for you. So we're gonna have that Burbot liver. The traditional way. Oh, this motherfucker squirting. This is the traditional way to get that vitamin D in winter. Oh, this this liver is messy, boy. It's fine. Get some more dead Burbot liver sauce on my raw chicken. You feeling me? Oh, first time using a condiment on my raw chicken. Some people get very mad when they see me eating bland raw chicken. That's like the final straw to some people. First, they gotta deal with me eating raw chicken, which is kinda out there. You feeling me? But for some people, even to top that, is that I eat it in its natural form, like raw chicken is meant to be eaten. Cooked by nature for you. Yeah, I'm not gonna put my raw chicken in some curry sauce or whatever the fuck. Ooh, what an amazing winter snack. Whee! We're grounding now. Doing that Wim Hof method. You feeling me? See you later.